Today we will take you to the Corno della Marogna. Corno della Marogna is in the western Gardesana pre-Alps and is located at 1,953 meters above sea level. Once you arrive in Riva del Garda, take the direction of Lake Ledro. And from there continue in the direction of Tremalzo Pass. At the pass there is the Rifugio Garda and a large car park where you can leave your car. The route is 2.2 kilometers long and can be covered in just under an hour. The recommended period to travel the path is from June to September. The ascent to the mountain in the last stretch is characterized by steep and poorly traced sections, in a couple of cases even exposed. It is therefore not recommended for beginner hikers. From the car park, 1701 meters, we take the dirt road and go up towards Tremalzo. After 1.3 kilometers we reach Bocca di Valmarzo, 1790 meters. We continue uphill, pass a left hairpin bend, 1814 meters, and arrive at the entrance to the Corno della Marogna tunnel, 1832 meters. Once out of the tunnel, immediately after the crossroads, 1831 meters, we turn right and take the immediately challenging path. We finally reach the top of Corno della Marogna, 1953 meters. The return takes place on the same itinerary. On the way back we stop to eat at the Ampola restaurant. A truly unexpected pleasant surprise. Excellent food quality, low prices and courtesy of all the staff. Really recommended.